It's now more than 22 billion kilometers from Earth, ancient, drifting alone through interstellar darkness. Voyager 1, a relic of humanity's golden age of exploration, was launched in 1977 with tech so primitive it couldn't rival a modern digital watch. Yet for nearly 50 years, it has defied time, distance, and cosmic chaos. And now, in its twilight, it has done the unthinkable. It has sent a transmission that has scientists around the globe speechless. A signal that breaks the rules. Energy signatures that don't match any known source. Patterns that seem intentional. What did Voyager encounter? And what is it trying to say? This isn't science fiction. This is the edge of human understanding. Voyager 1 began its journey during the Cold War, using a rare planetary alignment to slingshot past Jupiter and Saturn. Its cameras gave us our first close-up views of those gas giants. Then it kept going beyond Pluto into the unknown. In 2012, it crossed the heliopause, the invisible threshold where the sun's solar wind gives way to the interstellar medium. Scientists once thought that space beyond this point was a void. But Voyager showed us otherwise. It found turbulence, plasma waves, unexpected heat. Interstellar space, far from empty, was teeming with chaotic energies. The deeper Voyager traveled, the stranger things became. In 2024, anomalies began to surface in Voyager's transmissions. Fluctuations in plasma density, pulses of magnetism stronger than any model predicted. Most assumed these were signs of decay, just an old probe breaking down. But then something impossible. A temperature spike on sensors never meant to detect heat, and more baffling still, rhythmic pulses, structured, repeating, almost like a beat. Not noise, not decay, pattern, purpose. Voyager had stumbled into something, maybe through something. The heliosphere, long thought to be a stable bubble of solar wind, was revealed to be porous. Voyager's data suggested fractures, regions where outside particles leak in, zones of interaction between solar and galactic forces. The probe, it seemed, had crossed into one of these fractures. But what it found inside was like nothing before, a drift in its path, a nudge, not random, controlled. Gravity couldn't explain it, nor could solar radiation. Something had shifted Voyager's direction toward a point in the sky that held no stars, no systems, just black. Its antenna, acting almost independently, realigned. Subsystems long dormant began to reactivate. Old instruments powered on. They began transmitting data in strange formats, not corrupted but unreadable, compressed into unknown code. AA models scanned the sequences. What they found shocked analysts. The data bore structural patterns, recursive loops similar to logic systems, too deliberate to dismiss. The signal Voyager had been receiving might have been a form of information, or worse, a message. What could create such an effect? Some at NASA began whispering ideas too wild for press releases. Not aliens, not yet, but perhaps Voyager had entered a natural structure, something like a galactic antenna refracting space and energy, or a region where reality behaves differently, where time, magnetism, and gravity interact in ways we don't understand. The very structure of space-time could be more layered, more alive than we ever imagined. Voyager might have brushed up against that hidden architecture. Then came the most chilling discovery, the ultra-low frequency pulse. Buried beneath Voyager's data stream was a signal, nearly inaudible, but consistent. Harmonics within harmonics, echoing like a cosmic tuning fork. Mathematical models revealed resonance signatures, matching those in quantum field theory, and it was repeating, responding. The probe wasn't just sending data, it was part of an exchange. And then the shift. Voyager's inertial guidance showed deviation, a gentle but consistent turn, as though something out there had found it and redirected it. Its trajectory slowly adjusted, aiming toward a set of coordinates in deep space, not toward any known object, just darkness. Still, Voyager aligned as if drawn, not by force, but by intent. The data became stranger. New transmissions came in bursts, encoded, compressed. Then, dormant instruments began turning on. Sensors that had been dark for 40 years started responding, and what they transmitted didn't match any known stellar phenomena. Particle readings, radiation spikes, fields of energy that bent known laws, as if Voyager was moving through a place that wasn't a place, a threshold, a membrane. Some researchers proposed the unthinkable, that Voyager had crossed into a region where the rules change. Not a portal in the sci-fi sense, but a transitional space where dimensions twist and the universe folds into itself. If so, then what Voyager brought back wasn't just data. It was an artifact, the first object to pass through a galactic veil. In 2025, Voyager's signal began to fade, its plutonium heart weakening, its systems dimming, but its final messages are still being passed. Inside those signals might be the key to a larger structure, a cosmic map, a communication channel, a warning, or an invitation. Voyager 1 was never meant to last this long, but now it might outlive us all. Somewhere out there, beyond the edge of our understanding, something may have noticed and answered. We sent Voyager to say, "We are here," and now perhaps we've heard, "So are we." What do you think Voyager encountered in the void? A natural anomaly, a cosmic structure, or something far more intentional? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to keep exploring the mysteries of space, subscribe and hit the bell, because the next signal may change everything we thought we knew about the universe.